Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Ram truck floor mats on Amazon. Despite the fact that Ram makes great pickup trucks, it's easy to destroy the interior with dirt, moisture, and grime from the outside, so it's important to protect your truck with a quality set of floor mats. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Amazon Basics 4-piece mat set. Look, we get it. Everything is more expensive these days. So, when you want to protect your truck's carpet for way less money, there's Amazon Basics mats. These are not custom-fit high-end floor mats, but they offer good protection at an incredible price. You'll likely have to do some trimming to get the right fit, but once you do, you'll be happy with the result. Keep in mind that Amazon's mats are a simple 4-piece design and do not cover the transmission arch in the center of the truck's cab. You'll also want to consider the mat's dimensions, as you might find the fit to be awkward even after trimming. What we like about it? Incredible price. Great quality for the money. Easy trimming with only a pair of scissors. What we don't like about it? Won't fit every truck, even after trimming. Does not use factory anchor points. Number 2. Husky Liners Weather Beater. Husky Liners Ram floor mats offer great protection and fit at a reasonable price. The company makes versions to fit several Ram truck models, including the 2500-3500 heavy-duty trucks. The mats are measured to fit, feature tall sides to keep dirt off your carpeting, and work with all factory retention points. The weather beater mats come in sets for front and rear seats in a Ram crew cab truck. The company says its products will not fit mega or quad cab models, but they will work in most other Ram trucks. People report that the Husky Liners can be a bit stiff out of the box. What we like about it? Good fit on a variety of Ram trucks. Deep grooves trap dirt and moisture. Use factory retention points to stay in place. What we don't like about it? Stiff and slick at first. Must be trimmed or altered to fit some Ram models. Number 3. Edro Floor Mats. These floor mats sport a funny name, but come with a serious feature set and a solid price. They are made from a TPE material that holds its shape with abuse and withstands high temperatures. The company also offers a lifetime warranty for its products and says that if there's a defect or problem they will fix it. These mats are custom fit for specific Ram models, so you'll need to choose your year and type of truck, but once you do, the mats are a wonderful fit and stay in place with heavy use. The mats come in sets for both rows of seats in crew cab models. What we like about it? Decent price. Good fit and easy installation. Durable construction and limited lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it? Not available for all Ram models. Some report warped or misshaped mats out of the box. Number 4. WeatherTech Custom Fit Floor Liner. Let's be clear up front. WeatherTech's floor mats are not cheap, but they're the best you can buy and offer the most accurate fit. Depending on the specific truck, the company offers color choices, including tan, gray, cocoa, and black. WeatherTech uses laser measurements to get a perfect fit, and the floor mats work with existing vehicle features, such as pedals, seats, and in-floor mat anchors. Beyond fit, one major benefit of laser-measured mats is the additional floor coverage on the edges. The WeatherTech mats feature large sides that extend upward onto the footwell, so your muddy, snowy, dirty feet won't splash onto the carpet. What we like about it? Custom fit applications. Multiple colors. Deep ridges to hold dirt and liquids. What we don't like about it? More expensive than most. Not available for all vehicles. Number 5. WeatherTech All Weather for Ram HD. Your heavy-duty Ram truck can stand up to almost anything you throw at it, but the carpet inside is no tougher than the stuff found in any other vehicle. That's where WeatherTech's all-weather mats come into play. They offer a custom, precise fit with access to your truck's factory anchor points, so you can install and forget about them. They feature deep grooves to capture dirt and moisture and offer coverage for all the parts of the truck's floor. What we like about it? First and second row coverage. Tough enough to stand up to the heavy-duty lifestyle. Laser measured fitment. What we don't like about it? More expensive than most. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.